Hello everyone, Dr. Sam Schroetke here, Physical Therapy and Hand Clinic of Hillsboro, bringing you Technique Tuesday. Okay, we're going to do several videos here for training the core musculature. So core, in case you're interested, it doesn't just mean your abdominal muscles. That's part of it, but it involves muscles like your abs. It also involves muscles in the back as well as muscles in your hip. So the lumbo-pelvic hip complex. Anyhow, so the first one I'm going to show you is called the McGill Curl-Up. It's named after Stuart McGill. He's a professor of spine biomechanics in Waterloo, Canada. And there will be a test at the end. But his big thing is he knows that a lot of us are flexing throughout the day. Some people out of the McKenzie Institute did a study, and they counted that people are flexing around 4,400 times a day. So flexing is when you're bending. Sitting counts as bending, right? So we're flexing a lot. So Stuart McGill found out that that is hard on the discs. It causes excessive wear and tear on the discs, he says. So he developed some exercises that he calls spine sparing exercises, and his big motto is preserve the curve. Okay, so here's my normal lumbar lordosis, this curve here. If we flex, that curve goes away, or it reverses actually. So he developed some exercises that are about preserving that because it keeps the discs with kind of neutral pressure throughout. All right, McGill Curl-Up. Here we go. So this would be for people, sit-ups are going to put a lot of strain on the spine. It doesn't hurt everyone, but this is a modification. So if you do sit-ups and they give you back pain, this might be a good alternative. Okay. All right, McGill Curl-Up. So we lie on our backs. One knee will be bent, it doesn't matter which. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. Okay, then you're going to take your hands, because we want to preserve the curve, and you put them in the small of your back. So almost right up there touching your hip bones. So this is going to keep that arch in my back. It's going to keep it better anyhow. All right, so then what you're going to do is imagine that, the way Stuart McGill describes it, imagine that your head and your shoulders are on a scale. And all you want to do is unweight the scale till it gets to a 0, right? So we're just going to raise our sternum like that. That's all the higher you got to go. And then down. Hold for 6 to 10 seconds, and you're going to repeat this 10 to 15 times, okay? So we're working on some endurance here. So again, up. Hold it for 10. You see me shaking a little bit. You don't have to go high. Okay, and you're going to feel your abdominals engaged. That's all we're doing here. So hands are behind the low back, one knee is bent, our shoulders and head are on a scale, and we unweight them. Okay, hold for 10 seconds, and then down. 10 to 15 repetitions, okay? McGill Curl-Up. Spine sparing exercise, and it's a good alternative if you have some back issues that result from bending, okay? I will say, though, if you're having back pain, I would check out our other videos, the ones that talk about extension and standing or extension and lying. Those tend to be really effective for people who have back pain, especially with back pain with sitting and bending. All right, Dr. Sam Schroetke here at Physical Therapy and Hand Clinic of Hillsboro with Technique Tuesday. Like us on Facebook, like the video, leave comments, make requests. We will get back to you. Oh, as with anything, check with your physical therapist or physician before performing any of these exercises to make sure that they are appropriate for you. Thank you.